Heads up, report creators. Power BI's image visual just received major enhancements, bringing it closer to the interactivity, polish, and design flexibility you expect from core visuals. Here's how you can now craft more engaging experiences for your report consumers. State-based customization. Style your image visual across multiple interaction states, all, default, hover, and pressed, to create richer, more responsive report experiences. Rich styling controls. Power BI now offers more precise control over backgrounds, borders, and shapes, making it easier to align the image visual with your report's design. Image sources and effects. You can now pull images from URLs, data columns, or device uploads and fine-tune them with improved fit options and effects like exposure, contrast, saturation, and blur. How to get started? Insert an image visual from the Insert tab or Visualizations pane. Choose your style and state, and start customizing to bring your report visuals to life. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.